This is the final video to solve the cannot run Java edition keep happening in Minecraft launcher. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve the cannot run Java edition keep happening in Minecraft launcher, and I'm going to share them with you. First, the Java runtime environment itself might be corrupted or outdated, leading to execution failures. Method 1 addresses this by ensuring a clean installation of the latest Java development kit, which provides a stable and current foundation for Minecraft's Java edition. This process replaces any faulty existing files, directly resolving the core compatibility issues. Next, the Minecraft launcher may have cached data that's become inconsistent or corrupted, causing it to fail when attempting to initiate the Java edition. Method 2 involves clearing this cache, forcing the launcher to re-download necessary clean files and configurations. This eliminates any lingering corrupt data that was preventing the game from launching. Thirdly, incorrect launcher configurations or settings, perhaps from a previous update or manual alteration, can interfere with Java edition startup sequence. Method 3 focuses on resetting the launcher to its default state, effectively stripping away any problematic custom settings and restoring a known working environment for the Java edition. Finally, system-level conflicts or outdated game files within Minecraft itself can also trigger this error. Method 4 tackles this by verifying and repairing the game files through the launcher, ensuring all components are up to date and free from internal corruption, guaranteeing a smooth launch for the Java edition.